Good morning and happy Republican Day. The Declaration of Republic Day on 26th January 1950 was birth of Constitutional Assembly's approval of Constitution 26th November 1949. But unfortunately, uh, while drafting Constitution, though by following other constitutions, concentrated to induct independent authority of election commission. Unfortunately, there was no guidelines for democratic system. The present democratic system is mathematical democratic system. Apparently, the elected legislative members are defecting themselves, indulging in scandalization, and the election commission approving political parties without a proper control over their internal democratic system. Almost all political parties are functioning as some corporate companies, appointment, termination, and bargaining, pick and choose. This democratic system fails in this way, then the approval of political parties uh, on caste basis, religious basis is also indirectly affecting our democratic system. Further, there should be a proper guidelines to control the internal democratic system of political parties as well the new political parties functioning and registration. Then question arises, election symbol. See, the monopoly election symbol and allotment of symbol to registered political parties, not allowing candidate to select their symbols is also somewhat the field where the politicians and the uh, persons interested in the proper democratic and republican system should be concentrated. So this much only we can say, that though the election commission should be empowered to regulate the internal system. Initially, there was an announcement controlling the Society Registration Act, preventing the office bearers from being re-elected after 2 terms. But that should also be implemented in case of the democratic system, as it is being done in American system of constitution, which prohibits that time's election of the air vote president. I leave it all for the analysis, discussion, and it is your pen and thought should change the society for this. I want a full democratic system. The another suggestion was that the candidates who are defeated uh, being treated as second grade citizen, including political parties defeated in numbers, not to form government. So there should be second camera of legislation, and the constitution should be properly amended to get approval of the second camera legislative members who stood second to the winning candidate, to get approval of that legislators also in important matters, and particularly amendment of constitution, the introduction of new laws. Otherwise, the democratic system may not prevail, and we have to crop the result of agitation, which is being now celebrated today. I do not want to discuss more than that about judgment. I want that this judgment, AAR 2020 SC 5134, Muhammad Anwar versus State. Therein, though the case was confirmation of conviction, deals with the section 394 IPC, Arms Act section 25, and Evidence Act section 3, and 84 of the Indian Penal Code, general exceptions. The problem was the juveniles who seems to have indulged in robbing were framed with charges under section 397, but High Court seems to have convicted under section 394. So I have no judgment of High Court, particular High Court, Delhi. But the Supreme Court did not concentrate on that area. But what all are the grounds wherein the Supreme Court not accepted the defense of the appellants? Number one, juvenile. Number two is insanity. So this is a result of a defense lawyer's failure or the accused failure to instruct the defense lawyers properly. Number one, a delay in FIR, we will ignore that. But section 84, insanity, they say this section 84 IPC, unsoundness of mind and mitigating circumstances like juvenility of age should be raised during the trial itself. Otherwise, belated claim not only prevent proper production and appreciation but also undermine the genuineness of the defense case. So you have to concentrate that this should have been raised earlier. Then the defense was raised only under 313 CRPC. Thereafter, the 84 CRPC general exception may be proved beyond may be proved doctrine of preponderance of probabilities only. But here in this case also the lucid intervals has been adopted because the behavior of the appellant claiming unsound mind was not in conformity or consistency with the defense claimed by the appellant, because he seems to have escaped from the bus and other behavior does not warrant the court to assume that he is entitled for the mental soundness defense. And the evidence for juvenility also was not accepted because that was no valid document. But they say the conduct of running away from the spot of the crime as well as attempt to escape from the bus evidence an elevated level of mental intellect. So this is most important. Then another ground was the appellant seems to have refused for test identification period. But I could not understand whether that right was available to the accused. And but that we will discuss later on whenever an occasion arises. AIR 2015 Criminal SC Supplementary 966, AR 2001 SC 3828 was also discussed. So this judgment would help you to be careful while defending the case to get the instruction of these general exception. Best wishes.